now slipped below that 25,000 mark, 25,900 mark, and we are seeing quite a bit of pressure across the board. Nifty banking index is also down nearly 400 points as we speak, near that 59,000 mark. In terms of individual sectors, remember Nifty metal index is the most impacted sector in trade today. Several stocks from the metal sector continue to remain under pressure. Something like Hindustan Copper, that one, the last time I checked, was down nearly 3.5 to 4%. We also have SAIL and Jindal Stainless, which continue to remain under pressure. On the gaining side, though, select FMCG stocks are gaining. Godrej Consumer Products, we have Tata Consumer Products, Britannia, all of these stocks gaining in trade today. But to understand what the technical market setup is looking like, we now have Mr. Vinay Rajani, Senior Technical and Derivative Research Analyst at HDFC Securities, now joining us. Mr. Rajani, afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us today. Your view on where the market is headed, at least in the short term, with now Nifty breaking below that 25,900 mark?
Yeah, good afternoon and thanks for having me on the show. So I will apply a simple analysis, a simple technical analysis over here. On the daily time frame, Nifty has been forming lower tops and lower bottom. Recent top was 26,057, that was the lower top, and the previous top was 26,202. So continuously lower top, lower bottom formation is there. But if I were to look at the weekly chart, the higher top, higher bottom formation is well intact. So positionally, Nifty is into uptrend, but short-term trend has been into a bearish momentum. But if I were to see the overall pattern, there is still a chance, there is a zone where we can remain cautious, but we should wait for the proper setup to confirm, because if we see Nifty above 26,060, which happens to be the recent high, that will confirm a higher bottom and higher top also. So 26,060 is the level above which Nifty would confirm the bullish reversal. And on the downside, we have already seen that there has been a strong base around 25,700, which happens to be the 50 days EMA. So there is a support also. So no doubt, broader markets again started underperforming today, and there has been some negative setup in the short-term charts. But yes, for bulls, there is still a hope, because on a weekly time frame, the higher top, higher bottom is there. So 25,700 is the level we are looking at it as a support, and unless that breaks, there is a hope that again Nifty could resume its uptrend. But it should be conditional. So wait and watch approach should be there as of now, for the at least for the short term. About 26,060 level, there would be a momentum coming back on the upside, and any level below 25,700 will violate the possibility of an uptrend, and that will turn out to be a positional downtrend after that.
Thank you so much for sharing that perspective with us. Due to paucity of time, we'll have to let you go today. But thanks once again for your time. Okay, on that note, viewers, time to slip into a very short break.